In this lesson, we're going to talk about multiplying multiples of 10. When you learned your basic multiplication facts and you learned your 10 facts, you probably realized a pattern that anything times 10 was that number with a 0 on the end of it. Well, multiplying multiples of 10 can be just as easy as that. Let's do some basic facts real quick. 5 times 10 is 50. 7 times 10 is 70. 9 times 10? Good, 90. And 10 times 10 is 100. Nice job. All right, so now we're going to take this pattern and we're going to apply it to bigger numbers. So let's say I have the problem 40 times 70. Well, go ahead and just multiply the two digits that are not zeros together. So 4 times 7. Basic facts, that's easy, it's 28. But then you take the zeros and then you can put them on the end. So 40 times 70 is 2,800. Same thing here, 300 times 6. Block off my zeros, and I'm just going to multiply the numbers that aren't zeros in my problem. So 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is, 18. And how many zeros are in my problem? 2. So these two zeros I just tag on to the end. So 300 times 6 is 1,800, or 1,800. Now here's a bigger problem down here. 2,000 times 80. Well, I have zeros in both of my numbers, so I'm going to block them all off. Take those 3 off. Take this one off. Kind of pretend they're not there. And do 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. And how many zeros are in my whole problem? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many zeros are going to be in my answer? Yep, you got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Apply my comma, and I have 160,000. Okay? You can use this and apply it to word problems too. Here's an example. The school's auditorium has 90 rows with 30 seats in each row. How many seats are in the auditorium? Well, to figure it out, you just take your two numbers, 90 and 30, and we're going to multiply them. Take off our zeros. And we're left with 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. And I'm going to put my two zeros in my problem back onto my answer. So the answer is 2,700. And that's multiplying multiples of 10.